How to fix Snapchat login error. Hi guys, welcome. Today I am going to be showing you how you can fix your Snapchat login error. So let's get started. You might have forgotten your Snapchat password or email and now you cannot log in. So we can solve that problem and no worries. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up Snapchat on your mobile phone, or you can do this on your PC as well. So once you are right here, you have to go to Snapchat/login, and it will take you right here where you have to enter your email and username, and then you have to enter your password. But the problem is that we don't actually remember, or we're having a problem. There is an error. Maybe you are entering the right information, but there is still an error. How we can fix it? So if you have forgotten your password, then you can go with this option right here, which says forgot password, and it will take you right here to reset your password. Now you have two options. You can select your phone number or you can select your email address. I'm gonna go with my email address because I do have access to that. And you will enter your email address right here. Keep in mind, enter the same email password you have on your Snapchat. So I will enter it right here. Click on submit and you can see check your inbox. We have sent you a verification email. Open it and tap the change password link to continue. Now it's really easy. I will just go to my email address and email account and just open up this email from a Snapchat, and I will just get and reset my password. Now if you are still having problem and there is an error, what you can do is you can go to Snapchat support, and it will take you right here, and you can see there are a lot of different options. So what we need to do is we need to go to contact us, and we need to contact our Snapchat, and you can see we have this option, I can't access my account. So I'm going to select this option, and they're saying tell us more. I think my account was hacked. I can't create an account. I don't have my login verification code. I can see an error message when I log in. So this is the problem we are facing. I'm going to select this option right here. And now they're actually giving you a solution for this one. And they're saying that you can update your Snapchat. And what you can do is you can actually use a plugin. And we have all of this right now. So if this helps, you can say yes, or we can just go with no. And now what you can do is you can actually message them directly as well with this option right here. And they will get back to you in 24 hours and your problem will be solved. So yeah guys, I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.